everyone, welcome to my channel Culinary Vlogs by Z. My name is Zakia and today I'm going to be sharing with you a quick and easy 3-ingredient recipe that is made in 5 minutes. I'm going to call it a strawberries and cream dessert. So the 3 ingredients that we are going to use are strawberries, fresh cream, and a box of jelly. As a variation, you can substitute the strawberries for whatever you have available. Example, if you have pineapples, you can use chopped pineapples with a pineapple jelly, or you could use fresh cherries with a cherry flavored jelly. The list is endless. The best part is you can use either sugar-free jelly or the normal jelly with sugar. Now let me show you how quickly we can make this dessert. So I'm going to cut these into quarters and then halve them so that I don't get too big pieces while eating. So do this for all the strawberries. So now that I've chopped my strawberries, I'm going to get my 4 dessert bowls. So I'm going to be using a dessert bowl that is about 250 mils. And this is because I know that a normal jelly box will give me about 4 250 ml dessert bowls. So now I'm going to take the strawberries and fill them up into each dessert bowl about halfway through. Now I'm just going to take the jelly and pour this into the dessert bowls. So leave about 1 centimeter from the top because we still need to add in our fresh cream. Now we're going to take these and place them in the refrigerator so that they are able to set. So these are my jelly that has set in the fridge, and I'm going to add in the fresh cream over this, and you just need it to coat the top. Got another one here. So if you are worried about the calories, you can leave the fresh cream out. And I'm going to garnish these with some strawberries on the top, and also some fresh mint leaves. And doesn't that look pretty already? And this is your strawberry and fresh cream dessert ready to be served. Now, how quick and easy was that? Dessert for the day, done. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.